Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Very event in Grow a Garden new Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Very update looks like, and here you will find a fountain power, and you will also find a Very godmother, and then you can submit the plant with glimmering mutation to the fountain power to get a reward or to make a wish. Okay, and to get the glimmering mutation, you just need to wait for the very event, and it will happen every hour. And the best thing is you don't need to be online to get the glimmering mutation. You can get it offline. And wait, I'm going to show you my garden. Okay, these are the plants with glimmering mutation. It will look like this, guys. This one. Okay, this is the fruit with glimmering mutation. Okay, and then you just need to submit the required plant or the required fruit. And as you can see that it needs glimmering pumpkin, so I'm going to submit my glimmering pumpkin to this fountain power. Okay, and then you can click on make a wish and over plant. Okay, and then you will get something from here. I'm going to click on make a wish, and then you need to choose a reward, and for me I'm going to choose this enchanted seed pack. Okay, and then you can keep submitting the required fruits to get more rewards. Okay, and now I need to submit glimmering bamboo and glimmering watermelon. And unfortunately, I don't have watermelon on my garden, so I need to plant the watermelon first and let it mutate it to the glimmering mutation. Okay, and when you submit your fruit to the fountain power, guys, you will get very kinds here, and then you can use this very kinds to upgrade your very, as you can see that it needs very kinds to upgrade, and I'm going to upgrade my glimmer multiplier. It needs 1k kinds, yeah, like this. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.